For day 3, you're going to check your answers. So once again, the link for Catherine Castillo's page is in the description below this video, and you're going to scroll the whole way down today to Act 3. You're going to check your answers. So yesterday, by doing some calculations and using the information that we learned, we should have been able to figure out the exact fractional amount of each type of candy in the bag. So you should have 3 fractions, and what you'll see under Act 3 is the answers actually show up in 2 ways. There's 2 pictures, one on top of the other. The first picture has 3 fractions. Those are correct answers. The second picture, right underneath the first, it also has 3 fractions, and those answers are correct too. So we have a challenge in front of us. We know that both sets of answers, you'll see them in the pictures on the website, are correct. The question is, how are both of these, whoops, I forgot an E in there. How are both of these sets of answers correct? That information is true. We're not arguing that. The question is, can we explain how both of these sets of fraction answers are correct? So you might have to dig back on some prior knowledge. For example, it says in those pictures, it says that 16/56 of the bag is Rolos. And then if you look at the picture right beneath it, same picture, same bag of candy, it says that 2/7 of the bag is Rolos. So if both of these are correct answers, it's saying that 16/56 is the same as 2/7. How can that be? How can you prove that these mean the same thing? That's our big question, and there are 3 different examples of it. We've got those 3 fractions. So take a look at that information. Think about what you know. My final clue would be this. This is what we're being told. This information is the same. So how can we prove, how can we explain that that is true? Think about any calculations you might need to make. This is a great problem to show your work for. And so we would love to see your work when you think you have it figured out. And we'll be back tomorrow with another part.